Mabuhay, maayong gabi sa tanan akong followers, viewers, and supporters. Guys, this is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Tonight, magtiwas ko o pag-decorate sa tuang Christmas tree. Christmas tree din sa office na mo. Namalit ko kaganina. Ako ning i-decorate. This one. This is 7 feet Christmas tree. This is flowers. This is gold color, star color, star colors.